Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Anastasia, and today I'm gonna unbox my new action camera Osmo Action 4 by DJI. It's the first video on my YouTube channel, and please don't be afraid, it's absolutely not another one gadgets review channel for sure. Absolutely not, I promise. I'm about riding the bicycle, about everyday riding, about travel by bike, about bicycles, bikes, riding, adventures, biking, riding a bike, travel by bike, in all the conditions. So it's another one, bike travel blog. Okay, I didn't buy DJI cycling combo because it's standard combo because I don't know now which accessories I need in future. So if I need some, I'll buy it separately. But for sure now I need a handlebar mount for my bike, and we have it here. I'll also open it. Okay, let's see what's inside this nice box. Hello! And the other side, the screens. Nice. So now let's try to install the camera. Let's see. I think it's should not be very difficult. There is a lot of things on my handlebar, but I think this one is a perfect place. So I'm outside now, and Siggy was screaming. I'm outside now to have a first ride, to have a first quick test and see how it will be going in such conditions. Today are not so sunny day, very cloudy, a little bit rainy,
almost evening, not a very good condition for make a video, so it will be very interesting for me. Let's see how it will going. So I'm very excited to see my first video and show it to you. I hope you like it, and subscribe if you like it. See you next time. Bye.